Hi, this is Tom with Radian Laser Systems, and today I'm going to use the external text feature in the software to engrave variable data. In this example, the first thing I'm going to do is to open a text box. I'm going to go ahead here. Once I've done that, I'll go ahead and click on this icon here. I will open up a selector to allow me to import external text. I've already created a file. I just have to locate it. And it's on my desktop, and it's variable data test. It brings it in as simply 1 through 10. I could have just as easily populated that here and then saved it, but I did that previously. So I'll go ahead and hit OK. Hit apply. And notice now my text here starts with the first digit in the sequence, which is 1. When I select that, go ahead and hit mark. When I hit mark, close the box. Notice now it's incrementing to the next number, which is 2. And do it again. Move the box out of the way. Now it's 3, etc., etc., etc. I incremented a couple times. It should be at 5 or 6. It's 6. Let's see. I'll go ahead and 7, 8, 9, 10. Close the box, and sure enough, we're at 10. It's that simple.